What's up, y'all? How everybody doing out there? I call this a special report from Mr. All Shot City 1. So I just want to welcome y'all. Well, the Bulls played last night. Bulls played Portland. Bulls lost. But bigger than the Bulls loss is the loss of D Rose. And D Rose injured his knee, right knee. Got a little tear in his right knee that's going to need surgery. And it's devastating right now. I'm lost for words right now. All I could say is wow. As everybody know, I'm a Chi-Town, fan to the heart. I bleed it. You know what I'm saying? I drink, sleep it. You know what I'm saying? I even nicknamed my new baby daughter Shot. But to see my man D Rose just go out once again with a knee injury, I'm just hurt. I'm hurt for him. Especially hope he get well. Hope he can come back even stronger. But I'm hurt for Bulls fans, Bulls Nation, who have to deal with this Miami Heat shit and this made up ass teams that they do. And you fake ass motherfuckers. All you fake Bulls fans, I have to just say it. I have to get it off my chest. I'm looking through all these Twitter feeds. Everybody want to hate on D Rose. Please tell me what did D Rose do to anybody but try to help his city where he from win a championship. Please tell me. Please tell me. He ain't go jump ship like LeBron did to go play with somebody else. Man, you can give me all that. It's about the rings and all that. But at the end of the day, it's about integrity. It's about having respect from where you from. That's why he loved him. That's why we get down. And I'm going to say it since don't nobody else want to say it. I'm here in the shop. I'm on Twitter. I listen to a lot of people. And majority of them people, no disrespect, and everybody know I'm nowhere near racist. White people. You put so much pressure on the man. For what? At the end of the day, it's basketball. Basketball. I want him to win. I want the Bulls to win too. I want it more than any damn body. But to see people jump ship and oh, I'm glad he hurt it. Bulls ain't. Come on, man. Be fucking for real. As a man that have respect for the game of basketball, I never say I would. I'm hurt. I'm glad LeBron hurt or D Wade hurt. The fuck out of here, man. What type of shit is that? Y'all fake ass Bulls fans. Fake. And it just pissed me off. It ain't about taking up for that, man. It's just about, if you a real Bulls fan, be a Bulls fan. Be down with us. But don't sit here and when the man get hurt, you jump ship, oh, he could have did this, he could have did that. Man, suck a dick. Real talk. But it's all good, you know what I'm saying? Real Bulls fans gonna pray for him. Real Bulls fans gonna make sure we still here. And I definitely I'm gonna do it. But at the end of the day, it is some sad news on the weekend for all Chicago Bulls fans. D Rose hurt, out for the season. Why? I looked forward to this. It like I waited 2 years to see this man play again. And to watch it go right back down, man, I just pray for him and hope everything go right. Man, it's just one of them days. It's almost like, where was you at when the man got hurt again? But it is what it is. D Rose, I'm down for you. I'm Chicago all the way. And to the rest of the Bulls, I'm rooting for you. Noah, Dame, Butler, everybody, I'm rooting for you. But hey, it is what it is. Just need to get it out of my system. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, this is the Sports Corner, and I am Mr. All Shot City 1. To all my troops, welcome home. Peace.